going to be the original service elevator at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Tampa, Florida, near USF.
Yeah.
There's
Julian.
Even though the main elevators were tragically modded by Tony, this one's still original.
Yep.
Whoa!
Oh,
When the northern ones that close, it's gonna close.
yeah.
Oh, wow, and it's still got the original modern looking fixtures.
Yeah.
Nice. Smells awful in here though.
Yeah.
But hey, it exists.
Exactly. You can see it's like people left stuff in here. This has been sitting here for a while.
Certificate has expired on it.
Yeah, it says, I'll get a better look at that in my video, but it says 2020.
What, really? Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Spoke to Abe. Let's be quiet and listen to the noises in the chimes.
Sure.
Here we go. Here we are on 8.
Here we are at 8.
Yeah, and you can see a piece of the lantern is missing.
Yep.
No lantern on the outside up here.
Yeah, but there's one like on 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 2 lanterns, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely, this thing is in kind of rough shape, but hey,
Yeah.
it's original.
So yeah, as I mentioned, we're stopping.
Stopping on 6.
Certificate expires in 2020. Hi.
Hi, are you guys in the right elevator?
I guess not.
Okay, yeah, you guys supposed to go out this way.
Okay.
And the elevator's in that. This is like the housekeeping
Ah,
elevator.
All right.
Okay? So
Okay.
you can just go straight ahead.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Well, at least I don't hold on up on it.
Yeah, we did.